This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisette Sarradet. Spectacular corner unit with endless direct bay views. Spacious unit with a functional floor plan that maximizes every inch of space. Walk into a small foyer that leads you to a great room looking out into the open waters of Biscayne Bay. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths boasting 1,433 of square feet tile throughout and galley kitchen. This is a boutique building located in the coveted area of Brickell Bay Dining Room, one of the best streets in Brickell. For more information, review the details below.